Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we'll draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters, a punchy, stylish idol with ninja instincts. Grab your tools and let's make some art. Sketching is essential for any drawing. I sped it up here to keep the video snappy. I'll explain everything slowly during the line art. If you need, pause or screenshot this frame now for reference. Grab your pencil or tablet and a clean brush for line art. As you can see, I'm a cartoon, and I do cartoon things, like using a magic sheet of paper where we can zoom in while tracing the lines. Eyes, draw almond ovals, tilted slightly up for that confident look. Add 3 thin upper lashes and a thin line for the eyelid inside. Eyebrows, short arcs just above the eye, lift one slightly for attitude. Nose, a tiny stylized triangle. Mouth, a slim curved line with a slight upper lip stroke, no teeth showing, just that corner smile. Trace the face outline, a soft square oval with a subtle chin. Quick heads up, I'm building a playlist of characters on the channel. Check it out after the video. Add a few loose short strands to soften the silhouette. Block the buns and the fringe as big flowing shapes. The bun is a rounded volume at the back, and the fringe has pointy little chunks across the forehead. Bonus, mark gentle guidelines inside the bun and fringe for later blue highlights. If you're drawing along, please comment which character you want next. Specific requests help me pick videos people can actually find and enjoy. Draw the high collar cleanly, a band that wraps the neck and a strap crossing the torso. Indicate the collarbones with 2 thin lines and soft shoulders. Keep the neck connection crisp so the collar reads neat. Trace the asymmetric top, a straight upper edge, then a diagonal strap across the chest. Add the central seam line and the midriff cutout with a smooth curve. Subtle, clean, stylized. Vary weight, thicker on outside silhouette, thinner on inner seams and lashes. Small hand-drawn wobble is welcome. It makes the art feel alive. Right arm raised, draw a slender upper arm and forearm ending in the hand holding 3 shin-call blades. Use small joint circles to guide the finger curves. Fingers should curl around the handles, index finger extended in between the blades for that classic Zoey pose. Each blade is a faceted prism. Mark the central edge and 2 to 3 planar faces. Keep the line art minimal. Remove extra interior lines so the blade surfaces are clean for the iridescent fill later. Zoey is the maknae, the youngest, and the group's rapper and lyricist. She's Korean American and raised in Burbank. She fights using shin-call, or throwing blades. Left arm relaxed, hand holding additional blades, fingers looser. Outside contours a bit thicker, inner details thinner. Please tell me which character you want next. That kind of precise feedback helps the channel grow and helps me pick tutorials you actually want. Outline the wide yellow belt around the hips, then sketch the decorative tassels and rings. Show which loops cross over the belt and which sit beneath. Erase behind lines to make the overlap obvious. K-pop Demon Hunters became a major streaming hit, and its soundtrack reached global charts. The film boosted fan art and cosplay activity for characters like Zoey. Draw the harem-style pants with big volume through the thighs and tapered ankles. Add the side yellow stripe, follow the leg curve so it reads natural. Mark 3 to 4 fold lines inside the legs where the fabric bunches. Sketch the chunky, rounded shoes with the yellow sole. Define the ankle cuff with a short band. Keep the toes soft and simple. Cartoon big feet sell the charm. Flats only. Skin peach, hair black with petrol blue highlights, top aqua, belts and trims mustard yellow, pants deep petrol or navy, shoes blue with yellow sole, and crystals iridescent pink lavender. Keep colors flat, no gradients. And here is our Zoey. Fierce, stylish, and stage ready. If you love this, like and subscribe to Davi Toons Club. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next one.